Coach, welcome.
Good morning. How are you?
It's been a difficult period, but the next game can't wait for anyone. We traveled to Wenchi, a side that we had to dig deep to beat in the first run, and last season we drew 0-0 over there. What is the approach like going to this game?
Yeah, as you said already, we all know we are in difficult times, and those guys too. If you pay attention to their results last week, I think they lost. So I know they are going home to redeem themselves back, and we are also going out there to make sure we get those 3 points. So it's not going to be an easy test for us, but I think the boys are ready for it. So we try to go out there and then come out with the 3 points.
The home side are part of the relegation threatened side. They are bottom place, and looking at how tight the contest has been, and taking into contest away results, how confident are you that your boys can get a job done for you?
Yeah, I think I could see how we really bounced back quickly after the defeat against House of Folk. On Tuesday and Wednesday, I was just looking at them, their body language and the way they are performing and everything. I saw that, yes, they put it away. And they know that the one ahead of them is very important too. So that gives me the hopes that, yeah, these guys are really ready to do the job. And when they are ready, they deliver.
What's the update on injuries and players we are likely to miss?
Yeah, I think we have Peter back, and then Nusa is not ready yet. I think by next week he'll be also ready. And I think the injury, we don't have that much. That's the one that I remember for now, unless I pay, I think. Yes, Adabo also has to go back, and then maybe next week he'll be full to come out.
Thank you very much. We wish you the best.
Thank you.